Now, a warning about anyone who comes to your door to sell you something. A local attorney says that she has talked to dozens of local homeowners who say they have been tricked specifically into buying solar panels that don't save them any money. In fact, one local woman says it's now costing her nearly twice as much.
This is an eyesore. This is an eyesore.
These solar panels and all the equipment that goes with them are a terrible reminder to Michelle Thompson about a big mistake she says she made when she called the number on a flyer left at her front door.
And we just gave them a call and they sent someone out. My husband and I were looking for ways to cut costs with our energy, and that seemed to be the best solution.
And what did he tell you that was just so convincing for you to sign up?
Well, that our energy bill would be like really low, and there would be tax credits and I guess rebates like at the end of the year. It made it seem like it was a win-win all around.
Except after the solar panels were installed, Thompson says her electric bill never dropped, but her credit score did.
They hit my credit in August by 50 points. They hit my credit in September by 98 points, and then another hit in October. Now, I work hard for my credit, and so for that to happen really devastated me. So I called them, and they said, oh yeah, we're financing your solar panels. I'm like, okay, well, who are you? And why don't I know about this?
Thompson says she had no idea the paperwork she signed electronically at her front door was a contract to finance the solar panels.
But people don't know to ask to look at these documents because they're being told that it's not going to cost them anything, so they don't know to ask that there's going to be a second and hidden part of the transaction that they're not aware of.
Jack's area legal aid attorney Lynn Drysdale says she's received dozens of calls from local homeowners with the same complaint about different solar companies.
Typically what happens in the situations that we see is the salesperson that it's going door to door is also handling the financing on behalf of a different company that the homeowner has no knowledge of, and they're at a later time they're affixing the customer's electronic signature onto documents that they've never seen.
Drysdale says you should know state and federal law requires a door-to-door salesperson to provide written notification of your right to cancel any transaction. And you have 3 days to notify the company in writing if you want to cancel. Also, before signing any financial agreement, you must be given specific information about the cost of the credit, like interest and fees, which would be charged in the loan. Thompson says she didn't receive any of that until she called Drysdale for help, and now owes $240 a month for the solar panels. Her message to anyone approached by a door-to-door salesperson?
I say don't do it.
Jack's area legal aid says that these kind of misleading sales tactics by door-to-door salespeople usually target the elderly and people who do not speak English as a first language. And we are not trying to suggest that all solar panel companies are trying to mislead you. But with any company, you need to be sure that you do your research before agreeing to anything in writing. So a few things that you can do. First, check to see if the company has any complaints against it by searching the Department of Business and Professional Regulations website. You can do that by going to myfloridalicense.com. You can check for any complaints. You can also search to see if any civil lawsuits have been filed against that company by searching your county's clerk of courts website. If you live here in Duval County, you can sign up with an email address. It's free. It's called Duval Core. Attorney Drysdale also recommends you do a Google search of the company and the name of the salesperson at your door. That search usually immediately will reveal any red flags.